Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will tell about how to download CodeBlocks in Windows. Let's start. Open your Chrome browser and simply type CodeBlocks. And click the first link. And here click on downloads. Then click download the binary release here. And scroll down and click on number 4. Open in sourceforce.net and your download will start automatically within a second. And you can see here your download is start. And open in folder and double click on CodeBlocks. Click next, click I agree, click next and install. Your CodeBlock are start to install. Your installing is successfully completed. Click S. And your CodeBlocks installed successfully. Now go to setting and compiler. Go to tool chain executables. Then select auto detect and click OK. Now it's time to check our CodeBlocks are properly work or not. So I will write here one simple C++ program. So here I will write hash include iostream then I write using namespace std. Here int main, and in the main body I will write one simple message hello world. Give your return type. And now it's time to build and run. So click here build and run, and you can see here your output will be display hello world. I hope so you like this video. Please make sure to subscribe my channel for more updates and share with your friends. Goodbye.